OsteoBall setup. How to inflate with hairdryer. Unzip cover and locate clear valve on inner bowl. Valve is attached to outer cover with a snapped tape. Pull tab to open valve. Turn on hairdryer on cool and high setting. Pinch valve with thumb and finger to open airflow. Continue to hold pinch and place hairdryer about 1 inch from open valve to inflate ball. Inflate ball 2/3 full. This gives the proper and comfortable resistance. Securely replace valve tab, zip closure shut. To confirm that your ball is 2/3 full, press down on top. The upper portion of the bowl should flatten out. Now you're ready to go.